Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how to apply for the scholarship, the Siena Excellence Scholarship at the University of Siena. So let's go straight into the video. Please, if you're first time of coming across my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification bell, so when I post new videos you'll be the first person to know. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. Thanks for the encouragement, thanks for your likes, your comments, and please share my video more so it can reach a wider audience. So guys, let's go straight into the video. So you click here on International Students Admission Information Portal, scroll down, go to scholarships. It says Siena International Excellence Scholarship. So this is like the merit-based scholarship at University of Siena. They have other forms of scholarship, which is scholarship by DSU Toscana. This is the regional scholarship, and then other forms of scholarship down here. So this one is currently open for application. So we're going to click to the dedicated page. So do well to read the information here, but it says here that the international scholarship, excellence scholarship, is worth €6,000 annually for a duration of 1 year, and you can renew it for the next year. So a total of 12,000 across your 2-year MSc program. It's for master students, international students mainly. So here you can click this document to download the application call and to read it. Now it says who can apply. People who don't have Italian residency or citizenship, and you don't have your your degree is a non-Italian bachelor's degree, okay, and also you must have applied to this university. Either you have gotten an admission or you are waiting for evaluation. So it says that both candidates are waiting evaluation, and those who have already received confirmation of their acceptance to one of the study programs listed below, first or second intakes, are eligible to apply. Okay, which courses qualify for the scholarship? So these are all the courses qualify for the scholarship, but note one scholarship is available for each of the following 3 areas. So for this one area, one scholarship; for this one scholarship; and for this one scholarship. Then 2 scholarships are available for 2 different courses of the following area. So 2 scholarship in this area. Okay, so guys, to apply for this scholarship, we're going to click down here and click this link. Okay, so scholarship application fee is €10 and is non-refundable. So if you want to convert, you can click here to convert it. Okay, and it's for only master's degree program taught entirely in English language. Please note that it's taught entirely in English language. Okay, please don't forget you can download the call for application to know more details. Note that you must have already applied to this university, or either you have gotten an admission or you are waiting for your evaluation. Apply now. So it brings you to this Dream ID, your Dream ID platform. Okay, so here I'm going to put in your email address. Okay, and also then you log in just like you want to log into your Dream ID platform. Okay, so here it says Siena International Excellence Scholarship. So you're going to come down here to profile. You check all information, fill in the one that is not yet filled. Okay, you upload your picture, save as drafts. Come back here under contact. If you want to change your email, if not, you save as draft. Come to media file. So here you're uploading a short video, no longer than 1 minute, in which you articulate your motivations for applying. So you're going to talk about yourself, just as a normal look at the first what you should have here. Talk about your tuition, your qualifications, and the potential impact of your scholarship on your academic and professional goals. Okay, you have to begin by introducing yourself with your name and where you are from. So remember, it is no longer than 1 minute. So you're going to be uploading the video right here. Okay, it's also giving you the format in which you should upload the video. Meanwhile, then after that, you come to documents. So here, document, they are saying that there's no document you need to upload. So there's no need to upload additional documentation. The community will evaluate the documents submitted with your course admission application. So that's why I said you must have applied to this university. Either you've gotten admission or you are waiting for evaluation. But if you think there's any need to upload any other documents, please feel free to upload it right here. Then you come here. So here you're going to be choosing your first choice of your degree program that you chose while you were making application, if you made only one. If not, if you had to, you choose the first one here, you put the second one here. Here, admission criteria, you choose yes. Then you come here to checklist to see if everything that you have chosen, everything is intact. Okay, I do not speak English, so you click here. You click I completed my study programs in English. You declare that I'm a non-EU student. Here you have to upload your English proficiency letter from your university on this platform, okay, when you're applying for this scholarship. So take note of that. Then when you finish, you click submit. So this is the end of the video. If you've not liked this video till this time, please like it. Don't forget, I say it again, I have a Telegram group, paid Telegram group. It's not free, where I offer my guidance and assistance to students in that group. Currently we are like 70 on that group. So that's where you can actually get my full attention, because I might not be able to answer all the questions on the comment section by just writing. So follow my YouTube channel, share my videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so when I post new videos, you will be the first to know. All right, guys, bye.